Hello friends, today we will learn how to find the slope between 2 points. We will solve 4 examples, starting with an easy one and ending with a challenge problem. Let's get started. For example 1, we have 2 points 5, 1 and 7, 5, and we will use the slope formula to solve for slope. So m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Before we substitute in, I will label the points here. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1. And this is x sub 2, y sub 2. Now we will substitute the coordinates in for the variables. So y sub 2 is 5 minus 1 over 7 minus 5 equals 5 minus 1 is 4, 7 minus 5 is 2, 4 divides 2 is 2. So the answer is 2. Example 2, find the slope between the points -4, 1 and 3, 0. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Again, we will label x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Now substitute 0 minus 1 over 3 minus -4. So 0 minus 1 is -1 over 3 minus -4 is mean 3 plus 4, which is equals to -1 over 7. So this is our slope, -1 over 7. Example 3, find the slope between the points -6, -4, and 3, 2. Again, we will use the slope formula to solve for m. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We will do the same thing here. We will label x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Now we will substitute in. So 2 minus -4, 3 minus -6. Now negative times negative will become positive. So 2 plus 4, the same here. 3 minus -6 will become 3 plus 6, which is equals to 6 over 9, which we can simplify this one by divide by 3. So the answer will be 2 over 3. And this is our slope. Great job! Let's look at our last challenge problem. Our last challenge problem is find the slope between the points 8, -6, and -4, 12. And the same thing, we will use the slope formula. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And we will do the same step. We will label x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. And we will substitute these given coordinates in here. So 12 minus negative 6 over negative 4 minus 8 equals negative and negative is positive, so 12 plus 6 over negative 4 minus 8 is minus 12 equals 12 plus 6 is 18, so 18 over 12. And we want to simplify this one by divide 6. So the answer is negative 3 over 2. Great job, everyone. I'm so proud of you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for learning with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.